Greetings and welcome. These are my mini twists with a Bantu knot out. In this video, I will show you exactly how I did it. I am just re-moisturizing my hair with aloe vera juice, pomade, and castor oil. Rub that oil through until it's dissolved nicely and twirl the hair around into a Bantu knot. I secure it with a band to keep it in place. The bigger the section, the bigger the curl. The smaller the section, the tighter the curl. First knot around is very wide, and as you go around, you're tucking under that first circle and tightening it in place. Simple, easy, and protective.